Hello guys, VM24.com here, Samsung S24 Ultra display issue repair. Difficulty medium, repair time 40 minutes. One of today's top flagship smartphones, Samsung S24 Ultra, came in for repair with a display problem. As shown in the photo above, it was almost certain that the display module itself would need to be replaced. However, during testing, it was discovered that pressing on the display connector flex cable temporarily restored the image, and everything worked normally. Under the microscope, the connector on the motherboard looked perfect, with no visible damage. The interboard flex cable was also in good condition. The pressing on the edge of the connector with the tweezers, no loss of contact was detected. The only noticeable thing was a slight movement or microplay in the plastic when pressing on the middle of the connector. Most likely, the issue was in the display connector on the motherboard itself. Replacing it is not a big problem. The old connector was desoldered using a soldering station, and a new one was prepared. The internal contacts were in perfect condition. The new connector was soldered onto the board, and each contact pin was additionally reinforced under the microscope. The motherboard was then installed back into the housing for testing. The display module now works perfectly, both the screen and the touch sensor function normally.